Ngayong hapon guys, sound trip, reggae music taron. Kay hapon naman, it's reggae time. I'm waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, there'll be no one to fight no more. There'll be no more wars and their children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. It's not about win or lose, cause we are lose for the season. So can I either say, trust baby. Kung sana ni akong kantawa ni lyrics. In this way we can lose your way. Your way. You drive you crazy, but those that have been away. Go away. Sometimes in my tears are drowned, but I never let it get me down. No negativity surround. I know someday it will all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. Alright guys, hinaot nga, nalipay mo sa kong kanta guys, no? Para to sa tuwang tanan guys, mayong hapon kaninyo. Hinaot nga nalipay mo, kaya ako, nagpakauwa ko. Ha? Iba mo nga no? Ang mga tao dari yung anak ko, nang lingin ako, nibong sila, anong nagkanta-kanta ko, muro kong amaw. Ano guys, may ngapon din ninyong tanan. Shout out sa tanan taga-Alok Insan o taga Pinamungahan. Alright, naanak ko dari guys. Patni ko ninyo sunahan. Dikta ko ninyo. Okay. Ano to guys? Bye bye.